So I'm just doing a final walk around this angel that we cleaned, just to show you how magnificent of a statue she is. And I've sprayed this with wet and forget. Just some fantastic detail. No dates on the stone. Just a beautiful carving. Wish I had a semblance here. Wish somebody left a penny for them. Yeah, the penny. Make sure we leave it there. Just beautiful, beautiful work. I'll just back up so you can enjoy this. I'll do one final walk around, and that'll be it today from the Notre Dame Cemetery in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Just beautiful. Everybody have a great day now. Bye-bye.